Hey, Mom. I just landed.
You just did what? Oh my goodness, my baby is back. Oh my goodness.
No, don't say Mom. It's fine. It's okay. I'm already in the car. I'm on my way to see you now. Love of my life.
Baby, I'm really so sorry. Not today of all days. Come on. Just a failed mother. Don't you think so?
Okay, okay. If you say so.
Oh my God, you're so naughty. I love you. I can't wait to see you, okay?
All right, I'll see you soon. Love you. Mwah. Mwah. Finally.
I'm a proud mother. It's okay. Baby. Baby. Look at you. Look at you. Baby, I'm so sorry, okay? I'm really so sorry. I couldn't come get you from there. But, Stephen, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's go inside.
Okay.
Let's go inside. I'm a proud mother. A proud mother. Hey, thank you, Jesus.
What are you doing? I'm not a child anymore. Don't feed me.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Shh. You're still my child. Come here.
No! I don't want you to feed me anymore, no.
You know, there was a time I was really so much hated. I was despised and stigmatized for as long as I can remember. I never knew you would be my miracle to come. Nobody wanted me to be strong. No one wanted me to hold on. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, I'll just watch you eat. Eat on. Do you want more chicken? Are you sure?
Let's try it.
Should I give you this?
No, I don't want apples.
Or you tell me you're a big girl? I should feel you, right?
Don't feed me. No, don't feed me.
It's all good.
Let's try this.
I'll just watch you eat. The whole world thought I've lost it all. Your father had just gone back to Ekiti after his youth service. I never knew I was pregnant for him. Because to him, it just felt like it was just a drunken night. We lost contact. According to him, he said, on their way back, their bus was robbed. This was a costly mistake, though. But I was waiting to have you. Oh. My parents sent me out of the house and out of school. Through the good and bad times, I prayed I made it through. Day and night, I prayed that the rain would come down to wash away my tears. And then one day, a light came. It came almost blinding me. You came, my love. I gave birth to the most beautiful thing ever. And I named her Beverly. And I named you Beverly. I named you Beverly because it was a great dream of mine to marry someday and go to Beverly Hills in Los Angeles for my honeymoon. But all of that dream vanished. It vanished into thin air. There wouldn't be sunshine if it wasn't for rain. And joy wouldn't feel this special if it wasn't for pain. Both sides I have tasted. And that is the main reason why today I feel so grateful to have you in my life. I feel so blessed. And I'm thankful to God. Okay. Sleep, my baby. Sleep, my baby. Just sleep, my baby. Sleep, my baby. Sleep. I love you. May God keep protecting you from me. No harms will never befall you. Sleep, my baby. Good night. Good night. Good night. Okay, so I have something to tell you, but first, I have to just express myself to you as your mother. You've made me such a happy woman. So I thought to myself, how can I appreciate my daughter? Firstly, I want to thank you for making me proud by successfully completing your career in New York.
Thanks, Mom.
So I thought about something to, make you happy.
What?
For you putting a smile to your mother's face, it meant a whole lot.
Oh.
Yeah. So here's your new car.
My what?
Your car, I hope you will like it.
Wait, for me?
Yes, for you.
Oh my god.
Take your... Oh, it's okay.
Oh, are you... Is this a joke?
Of course you know I'm not joking.
Thank you. Where am I...
Yes.
Right, press.
Maybe just open the car.
Okay.
This way.
So
yeah.
wait, can I like take a ride right
You
now?
can take it right.
Okay, wait, let me...
Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Baby, like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down on you. I love you to the moon. Baby, like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down on you. The way that you're making me feel like the things that you do to me sweat down. I've never felt this way for someone else, baby, now you. I know what I feel in my heart is true. Every day all I think about, girl, is you. Without you, I don't know who I am, girl. I love you so. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down on you. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down on you. The way that you're making me feel like the things that you do to me sweat down. I've never felt this way for someone else, baby, now you. I know what I feel in my heart is true. Every day all I think about, girl, is you. Without you, I don't know who I am, girl. I love you so. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down on you. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down on you.
Mommy, I just left the party right now. Yes, I'm on my way home. Mom, just chill. I'm coming home. Okay? Wait, oh, shit.
Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God.
Wait, let me call you back.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my...
Are you okay?
I'm so sorry.
What is wrong with you?
I'm so sorry.
Are you blind or drunk or what?
It's just a scratch. I can get on it.
You can't see?
It's okay.
You just shut up. Enough.
I said I'm sorry now.
It's okay. So just be careful, because next time you may not be this lucky. Rubbish.
I said I'm sorry now.
Mom, this is disconcerting. I've been waiting for you for over an hour now, and you text me to say you can't make it. You want to make it? You know what? Just forget it.
Oh, yeah, could I get the, what's the name of that? Hold that thought. Hey.
Hi.
It's you again.
Excuse me?
Does my face not ring any bells?
Is it supposed to?
It's me, the guy who almost bashed the car.
Oh! You didn't almost bash my car, bro. You bashed my car. That's That's funny to you.
No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What are you doing here?
What else do they do here?
I see you have a thing with answering questions with questions.
And I see you also have a way of asking questions that beg for more questions.
God.
Do you always laugh this much, or is today just a funny day for you?
I'm sorry. Today is a pretty good day.
Ah, well, good for you. Today is a very horrible day for me.
Why?
Well, meeting horrible people like... Never mind. I need to leave.
Wait, where are you going?
Should I leave here?
I mean, we could get something to eat together.
And what makes you think I'm not done eating?
Well, I don't see any food particles on your table, and your lipstick is still intact. You see, I made you smile, so please? Please? It's just a bite.
So, what else do you do aside bashing women's cars and stalking them into fancy rooms?
Jesus Christ.
Leave Jesus out of this.
I didn't intentionally bash your car, firstly. And secondly, me meeting you here is totally serendipitous.
Oh, please.
I'm serious.
Well, I need to go now.
You need to go. When you're not going to give me your number.
This boy. Do you always go around tormenting people like this?
Well, let's just say I enjoy tormenting angels. Okay. Okay, so I guess we'll talk.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, bro.
Can I get the bill?
melody in my heart. I keep falling so hard over you. I swear down, and now you. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart. I keep falling so hard over you.
You needed to see his eyes, girl. You could get so lost in them. And then when he spoke to me, I just forgot that I was even mad at him.
Mad at him? Why are you mad at him?
Weren't you listening to me? Bro bashed my car.
No, it's your car. If your car is bashed, then your car needs body works, and your car is fine.
But hits, bash, still the same thing. There's no difference. Anyways, the point is that this guy is super hot. Like, super duper blazing hot. Wow.
You know this is unfair, right?
What is?
I mean, ever since you got back, you've been about this guy. First, we were mad about the Nigerian crazy drivers. Now he's living rent-free in your head.
Are you jealous?
No, but I mean, you just made this guy.
I know. But
What if he serves you breakfast?
wait, that's actually a very romantic thing to do, right?
No, I mean, what if he breaks your heart? I mean, heartbreak.
Oh!
Yes, I'm worried.
But I really like him, and he's been on my DMs. But I could just give it a try, you know? What if it works?
Okay, what can I do? As your guardian angel, I need to ask. So, when you're around him, how do you feel? Like, it's not about what goes down.
I feel light. I feel warm. I feel so... I don't know, fuzzy. I feel like I can't think when I'm around him. I feel like I don't know, just nothing else matters except him. I feel like I can fly. Or
Yeah, it's confirmed. It's official. We lost another sister.
stop.
Yes. I mean, you just made this guy. Okay, what can I even say? Okay, let's give it a try.
Do you think so?
Yes, I mean, what do you want me to say? Even if I say no, you go ahead.
Yeah, you're probably right. Oh, thank you. I just needed to be sure that I'm not in too deep or losing my mind or I'm in too deep. Oh, thank you.
Give it a try, but let him know that if he does anyhow, he's gonna see anyhow. I don't joke with my friend.
Thank you.
So, where did you go to yesterday?
Yesterday,
Yes.
you want to know?
Trying to be
Oh my God,
all that I can be for you.
Oh my goodness, that's
We know we mean it's hard because it's lonely.
Oh,
Honestly, I told him I'm in love with you. But they're okay with being number two. Shit. Drifting us apart. I ain't did nothing wrong, yeah. I'm tempted when you're gone, cause I don't do well alone.
I thought that was a woman.
Oh, big love. They want me more than ever now, and I'm scared that I want them to.
You sound terrible.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Baby, like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down, and now you. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down, and now you. The way that you're making me feel like the things that you do to me sweat down. I've never felt this way for someone else, baby. Now you. I know what I feel in my heart is true. Every day, all I think about, girl, is you. Without you, I don't know who I am, girl. I love you so. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down, and now you. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart. keep falling so hard over you. I swear down on you. The way that you're making me feel like the things that you do to me sweat down. I've never felt this way for someone else, baby, not you. I know what I feel in my heart is true. Every day all I think about, girl, is you. Without you I don't know who I am, girl. I love you so, yeah. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart, I keep falling so hard over you. I swear down on you. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart, I keep falling so hard over you. I swear down on you.
This is the craziest feeling ever.
What is?
I feel like my head is underwater, but I can breathe just fine.
Wait, are you saying you feel like you're drowning around me?
No, far from that. I feel like everything is fine when I'm here. Look into my eyes.
What? Why?
Just do it.
Okay. Mm,
What do you see?
me?
No. I see someone that makes words useless. And I just want to stare into your eyes and do this. I didn't think you were shy of PDA.
I'm not shy.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. Where are you going?
Here for a glass?
Yeah. I need help.
If I did, I would have asked for help.
Okay. My bad.
Cheers.
Let's go another water.
With bell glass?
That's for my food.
In my mouth.
I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart, I keep falling so hard over you. I swear down, and now you. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart, I keep falling so hard over you. I swear down, and now you. The way that you're making me feel like the things that you do to me sweat down. I've never felt this way for someone else, baby, not you. I know what I feel in my heart is true. Every day all I think about, girl, is you. Without you I don't know who I am, girl. I love you so, yeah. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart, keep falling so hard over you. I swear down, and now you. I love you to the moon, baby. Like a melody in my heart, I keep falling so hard over you. I swear down, and now you. The way that you're making me feel like the things that you do to me sweat down. I've never felt this way for someone else, baby, not you. I know what I feel in my heart is true. Every day all I think about, girl, is you. Without you I don't know who I am, girl. I love you so, yeah. I I love you to the moon, baby, like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down, now you. I love you to the moon, baby, like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down, now you.
My girl is in love.
Mommy.
So tell me, is he a nice guy?
Yes.
Did you two just met or you've known each other for a long time?
I just met him, but it feels like I've known him for ages.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm so into him.
Is he also that into you?
Yeah. I mean, I can feel his heart racing whenever I'm around him. I just feel more like myself when I'm also around him.
Love is such a beautiful thing, my darling. But
But what's, Mom?
you should be very careful.
Careful of what?
Heartbreak.
Oh,
Yeah. Beverly, my darling daughter. You know you're still very young. And I wouldn't want you to be hurt. I would want you to take things quite slowly and be very careful. You know, if Rome was built in a day, it would crumble.
so what do you think I should do?
I think you should listen to the things that he does not say to you. And then ignore all the things that he says.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because sometimes the sound of silence can be so loud.
What do you also think I should do?
I think you should bring him home.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me pierce my look into his eyes and see if he can survive it. Oh, my darling daughter. Your beauty is so rare.
Get that from you.
Oh, please.
Yes.
One more thing. You know you came back home tonight pretty late. I would want you to put a stop to it. Because you know, Beverly, the rate of insecurity in this country is really so alarming. And I wouldn't want anything to happen to my baby. So just stop it, okay?
Okay.
Hmm?
Thank you.
Okay, good night.
I'm Mommy.
Yeah. Bye.
You're just being naughty. And no, no, I am not discussing my nightly dressing with you. FaceTiming me will not work either. Yeah. Why do you want to start something you can't finish? Why? Oh, you can, huh? Well, how about you bring your handsome self over here? My space is big enough, you know. Now he's asking for an address. Okay, I'll let you find me in due time. Yeah, hello? Oh, I thought I heard something. Okay, so I have to go now. Dream of me? Not that's your dream. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, bye. I have to go now for real. Bye. I love you too. Okay, sure.
All I said was to give him a chance, not to ruin our friendship.
But I've already said sorry now.
This situation, sorry cannot even solve any problem. Maybe if you give me this.
Sorry. Okay, what should I do to make it up to you?
Maybe you should give me full gist, like hot one. Don't leave anything out.
So is this why you were shouting at me? In fact, I'm not speaking.
You're not talking.
I need an apology.
Hey, look at this one. Do I look like your mommy that used to pamper you like egg? Oh God, madam, give me gist, I beg, and stop from me.
You never rest, do you?
Hey, rest on top us gist. Oh God, no they rest oh. Give me this gist now. How are you doing? So, have you been to his house before? Does it stay on the island or on the mainland? Have you guys kissed?
Hey, keep talking. Don't breathe.
have
Keep
you-
talking. Have you?
Tell me now, why are you doing this?
Okay, I'll only tell you over a hot plate of Ghana jollof.
Which one is that plate of Ghana jollof? This concern me. Oh God, give me gist, Jerry. Which one be your plate of Ghana
I've
jollof?
already told you the condition. If you're not giving me...
Stop now, why are you doing this? Give me this gist
Okay,
now.
there's no gist.
Oh yeah, now sorry. Let me bribe you with Cold Stone ice cream.
I don't like ice cream. What's the problem?
You stay on this street?
Yes. Were you sleeping the last time you brought me here?
You know, it was pretty late. Besides, I was also tipsy that night. What's your house number?
House 62.
Jesus Christ.
What?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Why wouldn't I be? Oh my God. Babe, what's your mother's name?
Maybell?
Oh no.
What?
No. Babe, don't worry.
No, it's not nothing. You're acting strange.
Babe, it's nothing. I just remembered something that I am not happy about, something I regret.
Okay, because for a second there, I thought you knew my mom.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Oh, wait. My phone is ringing.
Oh.
I heard it vibrate now. Hello? What? The hospital? What complications? Hey. Okay. Okay, I'll be on my way now. Now, yes, I'll be on my way. Yes, I'll be on my way right now. Okay, I'll be right there. Oh my God.
What happened?
You know I told you of my cousin that has this major surgery?
No, you never mentioned that.
Well, I have to be at the hospital right now. He had a major complication that I need to be there for. Can I drop you off here? Maybe you can take an Uber or something. Oh, I'm sorry, babe. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry about this. Thanks for understanding. I love you. I love you. Hey God, what is this mess? Hey Lord. Please let this not be what I'm thinking. Oh Lord, please. What kind of mess is this now? No. This cannot be happening. This cannot be happening. Why is it this? How does this? Oh, Wilma, what? Wilma, why you now? Why you? No. It cannot be the same person. Everybody has that same name now. It's a popular name. After all, I knew this girl that was bearing that name too. It's a popular name, yeah.
What if he really had an emergency?
Nah, I seriously doubt it. There was just something about his body language that screamed suspicion. I don't know, I could just feel it, you know. It's a general feeling. You could just...
I don't know. I really don't know. What could he possibly be hiding?
I don't know. First he asked about my mom, and then my house address, and then he rushes off like that.
You know what? You don't need to think about it too much. If he refuses to revisit, then something is wrong. But if he does, there's nothing to worry about.
Ella, love is stressful.
I know, right? You sure he didn't mention anything about his cousin?
No, never. I'm very sure about that. He didn't.
Okay, you know what? You don't need to worry too much. If he's hiding something, we'll find out. And if he's honest, we'll also find out.
Right?
Yes, right.
True. You're probably right. I think I may have been unfair to him too. It's just that my mom said I should listen to the things that are not said.
Yes, she's right.
Something isn't right somewhere. I can feel it in my bones.
Don't worry. You worried so much. Everything will be fine. We'll see. Just calm down.
Mommy! Come in! The door is not locked, my love. He's here. He's here? Yes. For real? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the lucky guy.
I can't wait for you to see him.
What? You? So you have the audacity to step your filthy legs into my house?
Mom?
Stay out of this. What the hell are you doing with my daughter?
Mom! Wait, Mom, what's going on?
Where did you meet this beast from?
Beast? Mom, this is...
How dare you boldly walk into my house? After everything you did to me?
Mommy, what's going on? What's happening?
Please, Mabel.
Babe, do you know my mom? Mom, what's going on?
Shut up! I said shut up. Now you get out of my house now.
Mom! Mom, this is
I
my...
said get out of my house this minute.
Mom, stop this! What's happening? Do you
You're still baby who in my house? Now get out!
Mom, what are you doing?
Do not even tell me what I'm doing. Just shut up. Now get out!
Mom,
Get out, you demon! Out! Out! Get out! Please! Come back here!
leave
Where
me
are you going
alone!
to?
Leave me alone!
Come back here! Sit down! I would never leave you alone. I would never allow that guy destroy you just the way he tried to do with me. Never! Where are you going to?
Leave me alone!
I said come back here! Come back here!
No. Ah! Who were you thinking? That she would just accept you with open arms? Ah, think now. This is so stupid. This is the most stupid shit ever. Ah, God, this is such a shit show. How am I even going to be able to explain this? Ah, God. How did I even get myself mixed up in all this now? Ah, what kind of mess is this? God, why now? Why does he have... God. Hey.
Beverly, believe me when I say that guy is not good for you.
Why? I keep asking you, but you've refused to tell me why. Why isn't he good for me?
Because some things are better left not said.
Really? Okay. Well, I guess Wilma will have answers for me then.
Beverly, listen to me. I am your mother, okay? And I want the best for you.
Oh, I don't care.
Beverly.
Mommy, leave me. I want to go.
Beverly.
Mommy, I want to...
Beverly. Beverly.
No,
Please.
no.
Please.
I need answers. I
know you need answers, but you have to listen to me. I'm your mother. And I want the best for you. Please. Please, okay? I want the best for you.
But I want answers.
Please.
What's going on? What happened back there at my place? Will, talk to me. Who are you? And what do you have in common with my mother? Will, come on, please, I'm talking to you. Please say something. First of all, you ask for my address and my mom's name, and now this happens? Come on, please just say something to me. I know something is going on. Please just say something to me, please. Please.
It's nothing.
Don't tell me there's nothing. I'm not a fool. Please just talk to me, okay? Just talk to me. I'll try to be as understanding as I can. Please. Please just say something, Wilbur. Talk to me, please. Nobody's saying anything to me. Everyone's just keeping silent. I don't even know what's going on anymore. Please. So that's it? You're really going to leave me in the dark? thought you cared about my feelings.
Where did you go today?
Am I not allowed to go out anymore?
Beverly, I just asked you a question. I said, where did you go today?
Mom, what happened today?
I want to be left alone.
Mom, I'm asking you for an explanation as to what happened today and you are saying you want to be left alone? You've never asked to be left alone when it comes to any matter that concerns me. Can you please just tell me what's going on?
You want to know what is going on?
Yes! You walked the man I love out of this house and I want to know why.
Love? Did you just say love? Come here. Kill whatever feeling you have for that guy. Just die now.
What?
You get me? Because nothing, read my lips, nothing can ever walk between the two of you.
But why? Why?
Go to your room. I'm not talking about this. Leave.
Well, now you don't want to talk. Right?
I said leave.
Fine. Have this house all to yourself. I am done begging for well-deserved answers. This doesn't make any sense. No one is saying anything to me. I mean, I have a right to know what in God's name is going on, right?
Yeah, sure.
And my mom is being cold towards me. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Mommy never watches me cry and do nothing about it. This is... God, I don't know.
I'm sorry about that.
I even begged her for answers last night, but nothing came out. Nothing came out. God, nothing makes sense anymore. 1 minute she's happy about meeting him, and the next she's rushing him out of the house. God. No.
Maybe
What?
I don't know. Maybe they've met before and it wasn't a best first impression.
So why isn't she saying anything to me? And Wilma too, why is he silent?
Just need to calm down. Take it slow.
Why are they doing this to me? Why are they doing this to me?
So, I don't want you to cry. I don't want you to cry. It's okay. You worried so much.
Ella, I'm going to get my answers. And I don't care if I have to walk the streets of hell to do so. They should get ready for me. They have to get ready for me.
Hey, it's not my dad.
Leave me alone!
Hey, it's
Leave
not
me
my dad.
alone! Leave me! I'll put this thing on you! Leave me alone! What has gotten over you? What? You suddenly care now? I have literally begged you to talk to me, but you refused. And you may have stopped me this time, but I swear, if you don't start talking, I'm going to raise this house down. And you don't want to see how far I am willing to go.
Beverly, what has gotten over you? I never brought you up this way. What is wrong with you? You would burn down our house?
Yes. And I'm going to do so much more. Do you want to try me?
Beverly, stop this! I said stop it. What's wrong with you? Beverly, I never brought you up this way. What has gotten over you?
Do you want to start talking? Do you want to start talking?
Okay. I know that I've been so unfair to you. I'm willing to talk now. I will tell you everything that you need to know. Please. Please, my daughter, let's go inside. Please. Take this off. Let's go inside. Let's go. Let's go. It was a few years ago. You had just returned to New York for your studies. Your father had been buried, so I was seeing him everywhere in the house. I could swear it was him I was seeing. It was him. It was him. Who is there? 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 The pain ran very deep. call it hallucination, but I know I saw your father everywhere. When I couldn't bear it anymore, I felt vacation would help. I wanted to be anywhere but here. I needed to go away from anything and everything. I decided to go over to the house in the bedroom to free my mind before I run mad.
Auntie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you doing, Cindy?
Very well, thank you, Auntie.
So how did you know that I was around?
Well, my mother said you were around, so she asked me to come render some help to you.
Oh, that was so thoughtful of your mother. Thank you. Okay, please help me with my luggage in the boats, okay? Thank you. Cindy,
Yes, Auntie.
please keep the bag inside and run along to the market so we can cook something.
Auntie, I've already made food.
How?
My mother gave me some money to buy some foodstuffs.
That's nice. So what did you cook?
Bitter leaf soup. She told me it's your favorite.
She's very correct. Okay, that's nice. Ibeju was not just home for me. It also brought back a lot of memories. It helped me get over my loss and grief. What could be wrong with this car? Oh, what could be wrong? Now, do I even know that I want to touch? What do I want to press? Nothing. I have no single idea. What do I even know? Oh, God. My God. What can I even press? I don't even know what to do. What am I going to do? What? I don't know what to press. I don't know what to do. What? Well, I think I just have to call someone because this is this is becoming really scary for me. Oh
Hey,
my God.
do you need help?
Honestly, I would really appreciate that.
Okay, I'm Wilma, by the way. But in case you forget, I'm a good Samaritan.
Okay.
Okay, so what exactly is the issue? Is it an engine problem?
Honestly, I have no single idea. I don't even know what the problem is. My car just stopped by the way.
Oh, okay. Did you put water in it?
I don't know. I think I must have done that some time ago. I don't
Okay,
know.
then maybe it's an electrical problem.
I don't know.
Well, start it. Well, start it.
Okay.
Start it.
Are you serious?
Now, yeah.
Wow.
You need to tell your mechanic to be checking these things for you.
Thank you
As a
so
lady, you don't know all these things now.
God, I'm really so grateful.
Well, you're good to go, beautiful.
Excuse me?
What?
What did you just say?
I said you're good to go.
No. There was something you said at the end.
I called you beautiful. I mean, you're not ugly. Contrary, you're one of the most beautiful women I've met.
Well, I think I have to get going now. I'm really so grateful for you assisting me with my car. Thank
Okay.
you. Yeah.
Do you mind if I get your number?
Why?
Maybe you might need help with your car electrical problems.
I'm sorry, I don't think I'll be needing any assist or help anymore with my car.
But I'll be needing your number.
Why?
Maybe I like you. Maybe I'll like to check up on you from time to time.
Oh my gosh, I can't do this. I'm sorry.
Why?
Why? What's that your name again?
Wilma.
Wilma, correct. Have you asked yourself, maybe I might just be a married woman?
Hey, calm down. I didn't ask you to sleep with me now.
Oh my gosh.
So, your number?
Nope. I'm sorry, you can't have that.
Whoa, is that how you treat good Samaritans? You might be missing out on a good friendship, you know? Greetings, most beautiful woman. I trust you go home safely. Thank you, first of all, for the privilege of letting me have your number. Thanks. My name is Wilmer, like I told you before. I run a barbershop, one of the best in Ibejuleki. You see, meeting you today was like meeting an angel. I mean, I could literally feel all the hairs at the back of my neck standing up the minute when you took my phone to give me your number. When my hand touched yours, oof, bliss. Are you there? I guess you must be tired. You know what? Let me allow you to rest, okay? Good night, most beautiful Maybell.
Greetings, Wilma. Thanks for today. You really saved a life. Good night. It was like a daydream without an interpretation. Who was this guy? How could someone be so bored?
Hi, hi.
Hi.
Good morning, the most beautiful Mabel.
Good morning, Wilma.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. And you?
Well, I didn't really sleep well, but then I saw your text and I had the most wonderful rest.
Oh my God, it was hilarious.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Are you now stalking me?
Oh no, it's nothing like that. I was going to the market, but then I forgot something, so I was heading back to pick it up. And then I ran into you and said I come say hi.
Okay.
So, do you want to, go to the market together?
Wilma, that's your bike, right? And I'm driving. So how can we go together?
Well, we'd both park outside the entrance and we'd walk in together.
Doesn't matter. Trust me.
Please. I'm literally begging you. I mean, you might need help, to carry foodstuffs.
Okay, if you insist.
Yes, I do it.
Okay, let's go. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you so much, Wilma.
Oh, it's nothing.
Oh, it's everything. If it wasn't for you, I don't know who would have helped me to carry this big load.
Well, you're welcome, my lady.
Again, I'm not your lady.
All right, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So, aren't you gonna invite me inside so I can taste your cooking?
Excuse you?
I want to taste your food.
Wilma, I think you have to go.
I'll be expecting your call.
And if I don't call?
Then I'll eat your food in my dream tonight.
You're so naughty.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, dear. Listen, Wilma, just listen, okay? Do not even have any negative thought about this. Food is ready, and that is why I called you.
Oh my God, this is so good.
What is it?
It's so good.
Are you serious?
I'm not joking. This has to be the best food I've eaten all year.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
I'm glad you like it. You know what? You can have some more when you're done.
Are you for real?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't mind though. I'll love that.
There's no problem.
I've eaten food cooked by thousands of people, but this has to be top of my list.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not trying to whine you or something. I'm serious.
You sure do know how to make a woman feel so good about everything.
That's because it's true. I mean, look at the beautiful hands that made this food.
And what a compliment to give her do I have in my house.
You should teach me sometime how to cook, that is.
No, you're not serious, right?
No, I am. I mean, I feel there's a lot we can learn from each other.
Okay, so what exactly can we really learn from each other?
Well, I'm glad you asked, because I feel you could learn how to, do your car electrical wiring, so you don't get stranded again.
You're not serious. Okay, so that's enough. Let's have some table manners.
Forget table manners. This food tastes like heaven. Thank you once again for the invitation to lunch at your place.
And thank you for coming.
You're welcome. So I was thinking,
Thinking about what?
would you like to go on a ride with me tomorrow?
A ride?
A bike ride?
Bike ride? Oh no.
Come on, it's gonna be fun, trust me.
No, sorry, I'm not interested. I'm sorry.
Mabel, did I lie to you?
Nope.
Yeah, then trust me, it's gonna be fun. You just have to hold my waist and put your face in the breeze.
I'm not interested. Ugh. I'm sorry, okay?
You don't want to think about it?
Think about what?
The bike ride.
I think you're just about to take your leave, right? Yeah.
Okay.
You died of cancer.
Oh no, that must have hurt so bad.
Words would fail to describe how deep the pain was.
I can only imagine.
I miss the things that I know and the things I do not know. One thing is very certain, and that is death stinks.
I can definitely say that again.
You know, death just has a way. It has a way of amputating the limbs of our lives.
Yeah.
Now I'm left with a daughter in whom I adore so much.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Where is she?
I'm sorry, I do not discuss about my daughter.
Why? What's her name?
I wasn't playing when I said I don't talk about my daughter, right? So now it's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn already?
Maybe you can take me a picture with your phone. Where is your phone? That will last you a lifetime long, I swear.
You're beautiful, Mabel.
And hold.
Age is just numbers.
Oh, please. I think I have to go now.
Is she going to ask me my questions to know more about me?
Wilma, tomorrow never dies, right? We can always talk about that again.
I've been running so far from the shadow. Been trying to live a different life from my own past. I know I made my mistakes. I tried to fix it, but it was too late. I wish I could turn things round, but I'm out of time. All I could say is that I'm sorry about the past.
How?
Shall we? Come on, it's the first time for everything. Oh. You don't need to be scared.
I'm a changed man. I swear it on my life. How do I prove it to you? All I can say
So bye.
I'm scared.
You don't need to be. You ready?
Ready? So you're an orphan?
Yep. Father and mother are gone with the wind. I'm all alone in this old world.
It's okay. Everything is going to be fine. Okay? Anyway, see how far you've come. You should be proud.
How far I've come. A self-contained apartment and a hustle that barely pays me nothing.
Oh, come on, Wilma. Stop. What you're talking down on is actually someone else's life goal.
Maybe you're right, though.
Of course, you know I'm always right. What?
I like you a lot, Mabel. I've never felt this way for a woman since I was born.
Wilma, do you realize that I'm old enough to be your aunt?
This is 2024. Nobody cares about age.
I know, but...
Do you like me?
Oh, yes. I like you. Of course you like it in person.
That does not answer my question. Do you like me?
I like you, but...
Do you like me enough to be my lover?
Jeez. Wilma.
Answer me.
I like you. Yes.
Shh. I don't think we need words anymore.
I've been running so far from the shadow. Been trying to live a different life from my own past, though. I know I made my mistakes. I tried to fix it, but it was too late. I wish I could turn things round, but I'm out of time. Oh. All I could say is that I'm sorry about the past. I'm sorry about the lies. I'm sorry about the life that I lived in the past. I'm a changed man, I swear.
People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of a hand. But me, I just keep loving you every single day. And I just wanna tell you that I'm... Now, honey, I'll... Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars.
I was once more in love again, and I knew it.
Good morning, my queen. Breakfast is served.
Breakfast? Why would you have to stress yourself this much?
Because you're worth it.
Oh.
I hope you like it, though.
As long as you made it, trust me, I would definitely love it.
Every day and night, I pray to God that if this was some sort of a dream, He should never let me wake up.
Cindy, you've been a good girl. So take this money and use it to buy whatever you want for yourself.
Thank you, Auntie.
You're welcome. And do not forget to remain a good girl.
Sure, I will.
Okay, please open the gate for us. Let's go.
My stay in Ibeju was over, but there was no way I was leaving my newfound love behind. I had found love, or at least something like it.
Wow.
You like?
I love.
This is the house I want us to turn into a home.
What did I do to deserve such an angel like you, Mabel?
All you have to do is just be yourself. That is what I find attractive.
I love you, Mabel.
And I love you so much, Wilma. Just wait. Wait till you find out what I have in mind for us.
There's more?
Of course, yes.
What do you say we make our first moment memorable? I have something in mind.
Oh, I think I know that look.
You think you know? Mm-hmm. So would you like to tango?
I would love to tango. Let me show you upstairs.
Okay.
Where's Steven? You need to get my next luggage.
You can do that later. We have other plans.
Other plans. I love other plans.
My man had to come to my status, and I was willing to pay anything to achieve that.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
What's up?
Well, that's a lot of money.
I just got paid for my last business deal.
Oh. Okay. I'm proud of you.
And I'm also proud of you.
For what?
Everything. Baby,
Hmm?
I have a gift for you.
Okay.
Guess what I have for you?
I mean, if you're the gift, I don't mind unwrapping you.
You're so naughty. Okay, here you go.
Are you for real?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, no.
Oh. You like it?
I love it. I've always wanted a watch like this.
I'm glad you do.
Babe. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm feeling like one of these big boys. Ah.
Of course you're a big boy. You're dating me, remember? Hmm?
I love you.
I love you more.
Thank you. Oh, you made me so happy. Thank you. What?
It's okay. And it suits your complexion.
I know, right? It's perfect.
Just the way you are. Perfect.
See you with your lines. You should just
please.
go and do music.
Hey, babe.
Okay.
So this is the new car. You can use it to run errands. When you want to go say hi to your friends, you can just, you know.
Are you for real? Are you for real?
Oh my
This
God!
car.
Like,
Are you serious? Babe.
gosh.
Oh, I love this.
It's okay. I love you too. So let's go on a spin, okay?
Okay. Ah, oh my God.
You like it?
I love it. Nexus.
Hey!
Thank you.
Let's take a spin somewhere.
Thank you.
Okay, just wait.
We're hoping now. Let's go.
More like it.
Wow. You're such a naughty girl.
Stop it. I'm not a girl. I'm a lady.
But you're my girl. Doesn't make any difference to me.
Oh, please.
You smell delightful.
Thank you.
Like eating your...
You're so naughty.
I have a surprise for you. I want you to close your eyes.
Surprise?
Yeah, it's not a surprise if you see it. So close your eyes. Close them now. Just close it.
Okay, wait. I'm going to close my eyes.
Don't cheat.
1 second. I'm not going to cheat. Okay.
Yeah, how many fingers am I holding?
I think 50.
Yeah, it's good like that. Don't open it though.
Eyes closed.
Okay, keep it closed. I'm gonna need you to hold your hair up. It's just a little surprise.
Oh my gosh.
Don't open your eyes, though. I won't be happy with you.
I feel something.
Okay, now you can.
Can I open?
Yes, my love. Do you like it?
Oh my gosh, I love this. Baby, why would you get me something this expensive?
Come on. It's not expensive. You're priceless.
I love you.
I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more.
Oh my God.
Wilma, come back to me. Wilma, please don't fall. Come back to me. I will guide you. Wilma! Wilma, come back to me. Where are you going to? Wilma! Wilma, come back to me. Wilma, come back to me.
Baby. Babe. Wilma. baby. Babe. Wilma. Wilma. Babe. Wilma. Stephen.
Ma. Good morning, ma.
Good morning. Did you see Oga?
Oga don't travel, ma.
You say what?
He carry him bag, he put for motor. He don't travel this morning, ma.
You must be joking, right?
You know they say they travel.
No! 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 No!
Wilma put a knife through my heart and soul. It pushed my world crashing down at my feet. You know the saying, time is the best healer of all wounds. But Beverly, I have been unable to heal. The pain still runs deep.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
No. You don't have to be sorry, my darling. You don't have to be. Listen to me. I just need you to break up with that monster. Yes. Yes, baby. This is what I want you to do for me. As your mother. Listen. Listen to me. I need you to curse him. I need you to walk away from Wilma and never look back.
need you to hate him so much. Yes. Listen, my baby. You're a very beautiful girl. I just want you to find a man that would appreciate your beauty. Look at you. That's what I want for you. I want you to find yourself another man. A clean man that will love you. That is what I want. Okay. That is what I want, my love. That is what I want. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Mama doesn't deserve you one bit.
I was just a rascal. I was just catching cruise. I wanted to feel the thrill of being with an older woman. Call it youthful exuberance or whatever, but it was just cruise. It was just for fun. I wanted to feel like I was in a movie. But then, when she brought up that marriage talk, fear gripped my stomach. My eyes opened and I saw the problem my cruise was causing. But how could I tell her? How could I tell her that the love I professed to her wasn't real?
And then you chose to run away.
Yes.
And then you stole her dollars. Why? Couldn't you have run away without stealing from her?
The devil in all of us had a better grip on me that day.
So, what did you do with her money?
I invested it. I hoped to pay her back. But the people I invested in were fraudsters. I lost everything. Everything went down the drain.
Do you know the pain you subjected her to?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
And so what now? What about us? Is this also cruise?
This is real. Every single word I've said to you is real. I love you. Every moment we share together means the world to me.
Why should I believe you?
Why shouldn't you? I mean everything I've said to you. I swear.
What if you run away again?
How can I run away when to think of love is to think of you? How can I run away when my heart lies with you?
Same pickup lines you must have used to my mother.
Beverly, no. These are no pickup lines. These are real words of how I feel from the deepest recesses of my heart.
Look, Bill, I have to leave.
Please.
No, I can't stay here.
Please don't go.
Staying here with you just puts me at loggerheads with my mom.
Convince her. I'm a different man, I swear. Convince her. Convince her. I'm sorry. I will never do anything to hurt you. I swear. I will never put you through pain. I love you.
I can forgive Wilma. But to let you have anything, I mean anything to do with him, over my dead body.
Mom, Wilma is deeply sorry for everything he did to you. He wishes to God that he hadn't done such.
Stay away from that monster, Beverly.
Mom, if he could turn back the hands of time, he would do things differently.
Beverly. I didn't bring you up to end up with a player. You deserve a clean man.
No man is clean, Mom. There's things that are just different.
Beverly, stay away from that monster. In fact, right now, you will treat him like cancer. Beverly, you will choose between Wilma and I. Beverly, I love you. I love you so much, more than life itself. Do not make me think otherwise. Good night.
I need you to stay away from my daughter. I need you to stay far away from my daughter, just like the heaven is as far to the earth. Do not call my bluff. Okay? Do not even try to call my bluff. And if you try to be stubborn to me, then between you and I, someone is going to die. And it's going to be me. Don't mess with me. Don't. Sense.
I want more of you.
But you have all of me.
No, I don't. Let's get married.
Hmm?
Marry me.
My mother will kill me.
No, she wouldn't.
Are you serious?
Yeah. More serious than I've ever been.
I've been running so far from the shadow. Been trying to live a different life from my own past, though. I know I made my mistakes. I tried to fix it, but it was too late.
Now leave this house. Get out! I said get out! Get out of the house! Get out! Beverly, leave my house. I am done with you since you can choose Wilma over your mother. I am done with you. Leave my house now!
Mommy, you can't do this to me.
I will do it over and over and over and over again. Get out!
Sorry, please.
I said get out! No, please! I said leave my house! Nonsense! Get out! Out!
Mabel, you know, you have to find a way in your heart to forgive and forget. I know the young man hurt you. It's okay to cry. Our Lord Jesus Christ shed tears. And in tears, we find our own permission to shed our own tears. Mabel, you know, when we forgive, we are not just forgiving for the other person, but we are forgiving for ourselves. Wilma is truly a changed person, and he feels very sorry for hurting you. And on that, I beg you to please forgive and let go. You know, unforgiveness is like a poisonous tree which we must not allow to grow in us. We were created by God Almighty. And if God Almighty could send his only begotten Son, Jesus Christ, to come and die for us and free us, why can't we forgive? Even if not for them, but for the sake of your grandchild that is coming.
What did you just say?
Yes, Beverly is pregnant.
No, I think you must be joking, right, Pastor?
I'm serious.
What?
I'm not an advocate of sex before marriage, but it is what it is.
No!
You are going to be a grandmother very soon, Mabel. You see the reason why I said you should forgive and forget?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe this. No.
Yes, Mabel.
Come on, Mabel.
Forgive and forget. Okay?
To the moon, baby, like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down. I love you to the moon, baby, like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down. The way that you're making me feel like the things that you do to me sweat down. I've never felt this way for someone else, baby, not you. I know what I feel in my heart is true. Every day all I think about, girl, is you. Without you, I don't know who I am, girl. I love you so. I love you to the moon, baby, like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down. I love you to the moon, baby, like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard over you. I swear down. The way that you're making me feel like the things that you do to me sweat down. I've never felt this way for someone else, baby, not you. I know what I feel in my heart is true. Every day all I think about, girl, is you. Without you, I don't know who I am, girl. I love you so. I love you to the moon, baby, like a melody in my heart. Keep falling so hard